Turning now to the case of a deadly shooting in Iowa City and the man who will now stand trial for murder.
This dates back more than a year ago. That's when prosecutors say Brandon Brown shot and killed an Iowa City man after an argument. Today, Brown's murder trial began in a Johnson County courtroom. CBS 2 News reporter Mugo Odigwe is following this case. She joins us live in Iowa City with more. Mugo.
Scott and Tiffany, today was all about jury selection. In fact, the courtroom was packed with 100 potential jurors this morning. Lawyers on both sides gathered in the courtroom today to begin the process of selecting the 12 men and women that would decide the fate of Brandon Brown. The 28-year-old is accused of shooting Donnelle Lindsey. Police and witnesses say Brown asked Lindsey to walk down the street with him on a June night when an argument broke out between the two men. Brown allegedly pulled out a gun and shot Lindsey multiple times at close range. First responders rushed Lindsey to University of Iowa hospitals and clinics, where he later died from his injuries. As for Brown, investigators say he left the scene. 2 months later, authorities in Chicago caught up with him after they were tipped off to his whereabouts. He was brought back to Johnson County, where he has remained in jail for more than a year awaiting trial. If convicted on the charge of first-degree murder, Brown would face a mandatory sentence of life in prison with no chance of parole. So far, a jury panel of 32 people has been chosen. In the end, 12 jurors will be selected to hear the case. Covering the corridor in Iowa City, Mugo Odigwe, CBS 2 News.